Imagine a world subtly besieged by an invisible threat, microplastics. These minuscule particles, less than 5 millimeters in size, are born from the degradation of larger debris or as tiny granules in various products. Despite their size, their journey into our oceans, soil, and the air we breathe signifies a global environmental crisis, urging collective action. They are a tangible peril, intertwining human habits with the destiny of ecosystems. As microplastics infiltrate marine habitats, they harm aquatic life and pose potential health risks via the food chain. This narrative isn't about despair, but awakening. With awareness as our guide, we embark on a path towards understanding and action against microplastics. Join us as we explore their origins, impacts, and the pathway to sustainability. The insights we gain today could light the way to tomorrow's solutions. Within the intricate web of life, microplastics emerge as a shadow over our planet's health, swarming through oceans and ecosystems. Billions of these tiny particles, virtually invisible, suffuse marine environments annually, disrupting underwater life and the balance of marine biodiversity. The consequences ripple outwards, reaching humans as these particles enter our food chain, sparking concerns about health impacts. Pollution statistics paint a troubling picture of microplastic proliferation, with millions of tons entering the oceans each year. This section unpacks the environmental and health impacts of microplastics, reinforcing the narrative that the story extends far beyond the oceans. Awareness and action are our allies in combating this crisis, as we discover the origins and measures to mitigate their impact. Our exploration takes us to the origins of microplastics, where everyday items metamorphose into extraordinary pollutants. From synthetic fibers in our clothes to plastic beads in cosmetics, these sources hint at our societal habits' contributions to the issue. This journey from visible to microscopic pollution underscores the paradox of our reliance on plastic. As these particles navigate from our homes to the natural world, they challenge the ecological balance. Recognizing the interconnectedness of our choices and their impacts, we understand the power of knowledge and action. Every choice can contribute to mitigation. As we progress, we will delve into the implications of this invisible menace on health and the environment, laying the foundation for transformative change. Navigating deeper into the microplastics narrative, we encounter solutions and strategies designed to reduce and mitigate their impact. Reducing plastics usage necessitates a culture shift towards alternatives and simplicity. Enhancing waste management and recycling practices stands crucial in reducing plastics in nature. Furthermore, innovation is unlocking cleanup technologies and initiatives promising redemption for polluted ecosystems. Through research and collaboration, we champion innovative solutions and inspire a sustainable future. These efforts signify that every action contributes to a grander vision of environmental stewardship, echoing a call to protect our planet for future generations. Throughout our journey, we've unveiled the multifaceted world of microplastics, from their pervasive origins to their far-reaching impacts, and the practical steps toward mitigation. A key truth surfaces: each action matters. Shifting our daily choices, adopting microplastic-free products, and advocating for environmental policies all weave into the larger fabric of our planet's future. Engaging with communities and supporting research are pivotal. Together, our collective actions forge a pathway to combat microplastic pollution, nurturing a healthier ecosystem for all. In this shared struggle, everyone has a role, echoing the profound responsibility we hold towards our planet.